The answer to that is it all depends. So let's have a little bit of a understanding about how the hell Amazon works. So Amazon is a huge, big money-making machine, and it is optimized to make as much money as possible from the people that visit Amazon. That's the whole premise of the platform, okay? So how does Amazon do that? Well, Amazon does that by when a person comes to Amazon and they are looking for a product, it optimizes search term based products to offer up the most relevant products to the person who's searching, because by offering relevant products, they are far more likely to make a sale. All right, so hold that thought because it's very, very important. So if I am searching for, let's suppose, our good friend, fire extinguisher. If I am searching for a fire extinguisher, well, I can be looking for many, many different kinds of thing. And let's just hit search. So I can be looking for all sorts of different things, and because of that, because it can be such a broad search term, I could be looking for a fire extinguisher for my car, I could be looking for a fire extinguisher for electrical fires, I could be looking for a fire extinguisher for petrol-based fires. So there's a whole raft of different kinds of fire extinguishers I could be looking for, but because I've only done a very generic search term, I've got generic results back to me. And in that instance, sponsored ads are incredibly important, okay? Very, very important. Regardless of the platform, the marketplace that you're selling on, sponsored ads are important because there are 658 people that I am competing with for that search term. So I've got competition. But the more sophisticated I get with my search term, let's try that, fire extinguisher for petrol fires. So now there are only 3 people who've got something in that particular search term. So I'm a more sophisticated searcher, and so the people who have optimized their listings for more sophisticated searchers will not need to run any PPC because there's a lot fewer competitive people. And that holds true in all marketplaces, even Amazon.com, as you can see. And Amazon.com, allegedly an extremely competitive website, and it is, unless you take the time to do what I've just done and kind of optimize your listings for more sophisticated search terms. And by the way, more sophisticated search terms like that have much higher conversion rates than generic search terms, and that's why Amazon likes them so much, because Amazon makes more money from them. Pound for pound, they make more money. So should you be using Amazon PPC? I would say yes, and I would also say optimize your listing and set up your listing for sophisticated searches as well, and then you'll get a double whammy of things going on. You'll get the easy sales, free sales associated with optimized search terms, and you'll also get your product up on page 1 for more generic search terms too. So Susanna, that's what I would do. And the second part of that is, if you use Amazon PPC, and by using Amazon PPC you run profitable campaigns, i.e. for every $1 you invest in Amazon PPC you make $2 back, then the question is, why wouldn't you do that? Why wouldn't you do that deal? I will very, very happily do that deal all day long. And indeed, the question I've got in my head is, given that for every $1 I invest in PPC, I get $2 back, the question is, where can I find more dollars to invest? How can I get my hands on as many dollars as possible so I can keep doubling my money? That's the question that I ask in those situations, Susanna. So I hope that helps. A little bit of a bleak way of answering it for you, but I hope that now you've got a greater understanding about Amazon and how Amazon works, and the importance of how you set your product up really has an influence on which search terms you show up for, and also your PPC strategy as well. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.